CapSure Retention is a hammerless system that makes replacing tips and protectors safe and easy. Let's look at what's available and how to remove and install CapSure ground engaging tools. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. When choosing CapSure tips, select a tip shape and length combination that best matches your application. Your Cat dealer can help you pick the right tips and shank protectors for your operation. Penetration tips are a good choice for compacted, dense materials where initial penetration is difficult. Centerline tips are designed for highly abrasive conditions and have wear material on both sides to help extend life. Short tips are for the most extreme impact applications. Intermediate tips are for more moderate impact and abrasive conditions, and long tips are best for low impact, highly abrasive applications. They're also a good choice if you're not worried about breakage. To remove old CapSure tips, use a ratchet to turn the retainer counterclockwise 180 degrees. This will unlock it and allow you to remove it from the shank. And now, remove the old pen and washer. To install, insert the new pen and then the new washer. Next, slide the tip onto the nose of the shank. Using a ratchet, turn the retainer clockwise 180 degrees to lock the tip into place. The process for replacing shank protectors is the same. Insert a new pen and washer, and then place the protector so that the shank aligns with the pen. Use a ratchet to lock the retainer in place. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.